So to whoever is watching this video, you're gonna notice that my microphone is really bad. And I'll be honest with you, the reason I'm making this video is because I realized the acceleration of programming, and not just making games in general, but programming in general. There's just this acceleration that I feel. Ex acceleration. Acceleration. So yeah, acceleration or I feel whenever I solve a particular problem in programming. So, and this is also for my future self, and so that I'll be documenting myself programming this particular game. And another kind of practice is me explaining in a video, because there's this kind of pressure when I'm recording a video. There's this kind of pressure that somebody's probably watching this video, and I'm kind of like giving myself the pressure to be able to explain what I'm doing while programming to other people. And yeah, so now I'm making this game wherein basically, yeah, there you go. This this is what I've done. And I made these guys right here where they could be hit by that. Like now I am using Kaplayjs, basically a continuation of Kaboom.js, which you can see here. So I wasn't able to record this from the start because, like I said, I just realized for some reason that there is this thrill of programming that I want to show other people. And maybe I'm flexing, but nobody's probably going to watch this video anyways. But there you go. So I'm not going to be able to explain everything here in my code. Really, that's impossible. I can't do that. But for now, what I'm going to be doing is implement the ability of enemies to attack the player. Be attacking me. There's already an animation for that. So I'm also going to be checking how long have I been recording. My goal is to be coding this for at least an hour. That's just about it. So once I also make this, I'm gonna be, making a copy for myself, and then I'm gonna be continue. And my next goal is, um, so my next goal is to randomize their movement, because one thing I noticed is that when these guys, when they gather together, they basically combine as one entity, and it's really bad. There's two zombies here, and yet they combine as one. So I noticed that I should change their acceleration and speed so that they wouldn't be combining like that. Yeah, it's really bad then. Another solution is to basically add collisions to them, but it would give the player a harder time because that way, I can't be attacking them simultaneously. Especially like say that there's three zombies here, three enemies. They're gonna be colliding with each other, and that's gonna be a bad idea. So that's another solution, but I kind of don't like that. So I'm gonna be adding enemy attack. So to do that, I'm gonna first add health to the player. Now I'm gonna be checking if I've already added. It's not. I'm not also sure if what I'm doing is correct. Like, actually, there's probably no correct way of doing these. But since Kaplayjs doesn't really have tutorials that much, there's not much documentation as well. The only documentation that I have and I follow is this. And there's this also video. There's this also YouTuber that uses Kaplayjs. And I watched basically a 20 minutes of his video, and that's all I did there. Basically, I just watched to see the kind of like the fundamentals of how to start the game. But other than that, I am probably gonna watch this video again once I start to use time maps, because I'm not using a time map here. This is just one rectangle, like the ground here in the background. So back to the goal, just add in player damage. All right. So already have health. And yeah, there's no health here. Turns out I gotta need to put in health. The health of the player, I'm not getting 20. Um, and when it comes to player, I'm gonna need to add like an is hit declaration. Is hit. So basically console.log hit. And the reason why I'm gonna be doing it this way because okay, wait, it's not here. This one. I'm gonna be adding basically wrong. Oh my, it's wrong again. It's here. So is hit basically equals to this dot is hit, so that I can declare this to basically the zombie. So I'm already feeling the pressure because I'm recording a video. I'm already feeling the pressure force me to keep on thinking, you know. Also, this is kind of like this stuff. Can I probably just do that? And since there are two zombies, so that I wouldn't be thinking about the other guy, I'm gonna turn this up for now. Alright, probably made the zombie too. This one. So to have a better structure of what I'm gonna be doing, or like a plan. First of all, I'm gonna be checking if the player is within the attack radius. Yeah, it's already here for the attack radius. Oh, it's nice. Actually, pretty nice. And it's gonna be applying the same attack area. So I just gotta need to set it a direction. Distance. Attack area. New attack area. I should have added this. Yeah, there you go. Now when it comes to attack area, we need to give this the attacker. And I think this is about it, right? This that game object. So I gotta pass in the game object instead. Now, if you're a beginner, you're gonna be confused. What is this game object? What are these? Now, I made these myself, so don't overthink about what these are. I'm really sorry if you want like a um just me, showing you guys the process. No, just basically showcasing my progress to the internet and to my future self. So this one right here, I made this myself. Like for example, this make zombie this type game object. I'm passing it to new area. So the next step is to give this a particular direction. So I'm gonna be um, basically calling the attack function. So on fixed update, this stuff attack if on range. Basically, I'm trying to be as specific as possible with the names. I'm trying to be as so that I won't be confusing my future self. attack if on range. So first of all, check if on range. I gotta be checking that. If target. Follow player. The targets of these guys are always gonna be player, right? So is it like player? Um, const player, follow player, get player. Actually, I'm not planning to make this multiplayer for now. Well, follow player. Ah, right. I don't need this here. I'm gonna call this here. Attack this time. Attack if on range. And we're gonna need to pass in basically player. Yeah, there you go. Where is it? Const player if this that attack if on range player. Oh wait, it's right here already. It's right here. If mathematics, if mat.abs distance here is less than or equal to the attack radius, then I think I'm gonna be attacking. This is it, basically. I might as well make a function called if on range. If you know what, I'll be making them independent of each other. Too. Ah, subtract. Attack radius. Now this is quite. All right. Player is not defined. Where? Where? 181. Right, sorry. The range. But uh-huh. Yeah, I gotta need to get to the absolute value. That's right. What? Huh. Holy holy smokes. Okay. What the heck? I mean, it's the same formula. I can see here. but it's not detecting it for some particular reason. All right, it's the same formula. Console.log this. Okay, negative x. Whoops. Negative 2, 40. Huh. It's always stuck at 40. For some reason, it never becomes greater than 40. How so? How? What? Come on. Oh, wait. I get it. Totally get it. I totally get it. It's because it's being called there, and I should be calling it here. Oh, can't access lexical player. Okay, sorry. Oh, it's not gonna be working, you know? I'm within the attack range. All right. All right. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Um, so I'm within the range, within the range. So I think this is the case now. I kind of want to clean this code. Say, for example, I want to make a function that's basically calls and finds if the distance is actually the case, so that I wouldn't be writing this twice. And my guess is that function is something that I can call here, function. I'm going to be asking ChatGPT if this is actually a bad idea, because I don't want to destroy this. Maybe I can put this one into the utils function, this vector2 function. Maybe we can do that. So function uh, within range of, so basically this is range, and basically I'm given range and I'm given the object. So object and range. So I can just take this and check if it's within range and just get in the within range of x. Object 1, object 2, range. So basically const, this is the same formula, right? Just paste that there. And this to player. Distance to object, object 2, within range of. It's not in the player. Object 2 was object 1. Now I should probably be getting the position instead, and range, distance between, so this distance between. Now there's something wrong. Instead of doing this, I can probably just say len. Okay, the distance between that len So if it is less than or equal to, it's within range. Or instead of doing that, return true. Else, okay, within range. So time to use this. Okay. If within range of um, the object one is the first object. Yeah, basically this dot game object and basically player, and basically this dot tag radius and dot x. I think this is completely wrong. Okay, because I'm trying to get the x value, not the actually do those kinds of stuff. It counts distance between. I should be returning the within range of x. You know what? I just don't want to think about this anymore. If math.apps range, okay, distance between dot x is equal to range return true. I don't need dot x here. There's gonna be it works. Heck, it works. All right. Oh my damn! It actually works. Let's go. Or maybe I should just be passing in values to these two, because it would make the program faster, right? So if within range of x, and this dot game object dot player, and then attack this dot attack radius. Sorry, I'm really sorry for that site. I'm really sorry, really sorry. I think I should be giving myself a harder time. So if it is within range, say this particular one, I'm overthinking. I shouldn't be doing that. I'm overthinking like a lot. Okay, not that apps. So if I'm the player, I mean, if the player is actually within the range, then I would be attacking the player. I would be attacking. Basically it. Attack. This dot attack. Come on, why do that? So instead of attacking range, just say attack. You know, shouldn't be giving myself a hard time. Notice that I'm actually struggling because I'm recording what I'm doing right now. I don't usually struggle this much. Console.log attack. No, I want him to be attacking these ones. Wait, follow player. This that attack. This one you move team, you move him. Otherwise, we would be attacked. We would be stomping, and the enemy would be attacking as well. All right. Actually, now I'm gonna be set a timer. I've got two of these. I can probably try and fix them up. Use one combined timer. Next, make one function. Set timer next. Yeah. For now, my priority is this one. Basically, timer. I'm not sure if this could be a bad idea, but we're gonna know in the future if this is a bad habit of mine doing this. So wait, dot this dot tag duration, which currently I don't have that. So my reward for accomplishing this is coffee. I get to make my coffee. Once I make this attack, this dot tag duration. Okay, let's just say 0.3. Kind of very fast. This guy's gonna be spamming this attack. Or maybe I could just add an attack cooldown, something like that. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I can just add an attack cooldown. So, there's gonna be an attack duration. So it builds up like that. But there's something wrong there. There's absolutely something wrong. If this dot attack is equal to true, console.log attack. So if this dot attack, it's going to be returning, meaning this shouldn't be the case, right? How is it that? All right, I am totally wrong. No, wait. The timer is being set multiple times. This isn't the solution I've set before, especially this one. There's a better solution here. Because what's happening is, yeah, it's just bad. So attack becomes equal to true. Huh? What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can I change the size? Am I still recording? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think this should work now. Oh heck, what the heck's going on? Attack is equal to false. If attack is equal to true, then I return. If attack so if otherwise. So initially it's false if this attack fails. So set true. Set attack timer should be below, but it just doesn't feel like it. Is this really how it's supposed to work? Yeah, it's kind of working. But I think there's a cleaner code that I've set before. Yeah, like this one. Attack, stat attack enemy, this stat attacker, that attack damage, targets, attack enemy. Oh yeah, set timer is below. Okay, I'm overthinking. So set attack timer is below, similar stuff. So now it's just counting every 0.3 seconds. That's how many times this guy is gonna be spamming his attacks. So now I'm gonna be adding the animation. Else if this start attacked. Okay, something is wrong. The attack is gonna be priority. And there are gonna be some. Wait, it's actually working. I have attack already set. Mm-hmm. Should probably set this to something like 2. Hmm. Okay. Start attack is equal to false. Ah, worked. Heck, it's working. All right. So there's just attack detection there. But there's wrong animation shouldn't be like that. There is gonna be a bit of it. Wait, I'm right. It's gonna be okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh yeah, I'm right. It's just really fast. Maybe I should set speed something like 8. Holy, it's really fast. It's not 1 frame. Okay, I'm really confused. How is it like this? If I set 11, it's plain 1 frame at a time. Hmm. Okay, I get what's wrong. If it's equal to attack, then I run attack. Otherwise, I run idle. If it's not attacked, then this is it. Okay, I'm really sorry if I do that a lot. 30 minutes in and I'm still not done. I'm still focused on animation. Something is wrong with my animation code. And I can't think of a solution immediately. It's playing first frame, and it's probably playing it multiple times. When in reality, it should be playing it at least just once. That's what should be happening. So notice that. Notice that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It shouldn't be doing that. Say, say that I give it a certain walk animation. If it's walking, and also that's another bug I gotta fix. Turns out it's not distance theta x that I need. It's not just that. Otherwise, I'd be attacking even if the it's actually really far away. Um, hmm. Okay, this is lazy code. I'm really sorry. This is really lazy code. Okay, got this other way around. Ah, yeah, this is correct. Shouldn't be attacking me. Okay, so my problem once again is animation. Holy what? if current anim is not equal to distant anim state. What the heck's going on? If you change this animation, it's just getting called once. That's what's supposed to be happening, but this one is getting called multiple times, which is not supposed to be the case. Wait. Okay, now I'm looking back. It's true, false, SDF. False 42, true, ASDF, false, ASDF. How so? I can call it multiple times. Oh no, not necessarily. Just attack. Playing just one frame. That's not what you're supposed to be doing. This is plain one frame. Works now. I don't know, man. What the hell is going on? What the hell's going on? How did this happen? Alright. Turns out there wasn't really a problem there. And, okay, where was I? Got my ADHD. I hate it. Yeah, it's actually working, you know. He's attacking. He's attacking me. Boom, bang, bop. Mm. Yeah, it's zombie animation. That's what I was talking. That's what I was supposed to be thinking. When it comes to loader, I could probably get it up to 10. Ah, but it vanishes immediately. So then I'm thinking that maybe I should, for the zombie, that is, I should make the attack duration to something like 4, or maybe something like 5. Yeah, 0.4 is good enough. Hmm. So now the only thing left is to actually trigger attack. Hmm. This one only happens once, meaning if I were to get hit by this, um, which isn't the case for the attack area. Well, it's supposed to actually be happening once, so it's going to be this dot attack area dot attack. And there are parameters to attack actually, and I just kind of forgot what it was. Is it attack enemy? Attack enemy, is it? Attack target. Okay, so I'm gonna attack enemy. Heck, it's not here. Yeah, it's right there. Sorry. The attack enemy is this attack targets. So I need to give basically these guys. I need to give these guys so that basically I need to copy and paste that to the code of the enemy. It's right here. Strength of the knock. I just say 50. Attack duration, I do have that. Attack damage, that's what I do not have. So this stuff, attack damage, let's just say 2. No? Zombies are supposed to be quite strong. And so attack target. Attack target. Okay, targets is undefined. Yeah. And one thing I noticed is that I can also attack if I'm grounded. So, so if this dot this game object is grounded, then I get return. So condition, yeah. So now the bug comes in. This game object is undefined. Which is it? Okay, so before doing that, for some readability purposes, I want to. Never mind. I'll fix that next time. So it says here the attack area. This dot game object is undefined. So I kind of just forgot. So this dot, okay. The primary is this dot game object. The direction. What's direction? Okay, it's gonna be at the attack. Mouse directs the direction. Targets. Set of targets. Also this game object is undefined. I kind of forgot because when making I've already passed it in, so it's not undefined really. Man, I want my copy already. Yeah, it's not this game object, it's the direction where I want to be. And to actually do that, attack target. So heck. Targets. So basically, wait. Okay. Player is supposed to be an array. Oh, yeah, I totally forgot. So, there's just a chain of problems here. So instead of doing that, I'm gonna be guns players. Just gonna fix that later on. Trying to organize code and do that later. Get player. I just pass in players and the attack direction. So where is it? Cons attack dir. It's just gonna be equal to basically the distance player. How do I know that? Wait, isn't that just the face? Like where the player is facing? Yeah, this one. If face right, then it's 1. Okay, face right, then it's 1. Otherwise, it's -1. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, what's the other? 62. I don't get it. I really do not get it. So first of all, did I not initialize it? Yep. Turns out I did not. Okay, so this dot attack. Here you go. Initialize. Why do I have to do that? For some reason I have to. Oh, is my health going down? Okay, so the only thing left is to actually get this to be detected. So my goal is to connect the codes, but it's not all right. So can I draw? Draw it? Yeah, what would it look like? Oh, holy smokes. The hell is that radius, man? That isn't normal. Alright. This guy has so much radius. It's gonna be. But, okay. Forget that. It doesn't really matter. Basically, I cannot beat this zombie. So now the only thing left is detecting if I actually get hit. So basically, is this even working? So it doesn't even reach this part of the code. And if they start attacking, oh no, what the heck's going on? Oh, wait, so I'm actually calling it, right? Attack. So is attack something that is just called once? Attack. So is this actually just called once, or it's called multiple times? No, just once. I see. Wait, let me restart. No, it's called multiple times. Why? Why should I do it that way? That's just plain stupid. It's being called multiple times. So that's the kind of code. And I gotta do the same here as well. But it's working. As you can see, it's actually detecting it, right? Because it's green. But it's technically just happening just once. Because this is something that I gotta keep on calling until it ends, right? Alright. So when I attack, basically attack target needs to be happening multiple times. Because what I'm doing here is I'm not actually doing the same thing here now. Now that I'm doing this way. The attack target needs to be something that's actually being called if this is being attacked. That's right, right? So my guess is I do it like this. Okay. If this dot attack cooling down, then return. So this time, the attack is going to be called multiple times. Hit, hit. Yeah, there you go. Wait, who says hit? Attack area? There you go. It works. Ah, sorry, that's wrong. Hit, hit. Okay. It's working, it's working, it's working. Alright, so now I can die. And, okay, that was wrong. Basically, knock back. And I can probably just copy and paste the code that I have when it comes to knockback, which is just basically this, right? And just copy and paste this code, and I get this. Ah, this is wrong. There you go. Attacker pause. But where is attacker? It's something that I need to receive. So is hit damage attacker. I should probably make like a class called hitbox and just have it be made within these so that I can implement it about zombie and player and I don't have to copy and paste them. Yeah, that's really a good idea. As a beginner programmer, I am a genius. Okay. Make a class hitbox zombies. You know what? I'm just gonna commit this. Git commit. Add player enemy hit zombie attack and player is hit detection. Working. Yeah, it works. But no knockback. In top decrease. Get status. There you go. Make class hitbox. So now that it's being detected, and I have this particular one. Set lock timer. Okay, this one. Set knock timer. It is hit damage attacker. This is the reason. I don't know, man. I just feel zombie. If it works, then this is gonna feel amazing. First of all, I probably do not have knocks. Yeah. So okay, that's completely wrong. Why did I put it here? Huh? Wait, what the hell's going on? Oh no, 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 no. I'm confused. I pasted the wrong file. I should still be working. There you go. Set knock timer. And this start. No. This is the reason. Um, if attacker does not exist, this is the reason. So it turns out I'm not actually passing an attacker, right? It's defined. Attacker is defined. What's undefined is how is it undefined here? And yet when I say is hit, it's not undefined. These are the kind of problems that is really, really amazing, you know? This is the reason. Okay, that's really annoying. I want to remove that. So it says it exists, ID 10, but it also says that it's undefined. How so? Hmm. Uh, it says here, this dot attacker, target dot is hit. And it says here, when you log it out, target is undefined. Wow, that's just amazing. I do it here. Say that there's this one. This is the reason it decreases the health. How is it that attacker is undefined when I actually set in a value for it? Something else is interfering for it. That is maybe because there's already another variable called attacker. One of the reasons. No, there's none. How so is it that it finds attacker to be undefined? But when I define it here, okay, yeah, zombie. It's a zombie that's attacking me. But for some particular damn reason, what? Holy, this, oh, heck. Another problem I'm facing. And it's already been an hour. Okay. It's already been an hour. It, ah, it says undefined. How so? I'm passing. Okay. I'm passing in 0. It's undefined. Okay, something else is doing something here. There's only one of these. So if it's not even gonna get called. Yeah. So this is in fact if I were to pass in a value to get I get. Whew, man, the hell? How is this happening to me? Okay, damage. Okay, damn. Never mind. For my future self. For my future self. But at least he does not attack immediately. Okay, so now I can actually get attacked by the zombie. The zombie needs to. Hmm. The zombie probably needs to have a bigger knockback because that knockback is way too weak. This dot knock strength. I'd say 200. Is it much? Okay, but because there's something stopping my velocity. That's why. So maybe if I were to go to, let's say, follow. Actually, no. I want to display my HP so that I want to get confused and realize that I'm already dead. What's wrong? Did I not save it? Yeah. I would probably need to, instead of this to destroy the game object, I should probably do something else. Okay, it's actually working now, so I'm kind of done with this video. But one thing I gotta fix up, oh, sorry, 6. Basically, the knockback, because the player is actually not being knocked that much because the player movement is actually preventing it. So I'm gonna need to set like if I am knocked, then I'm not gonna be able to move. So I think that's a really important thing. Action. Else this that's called the dodge. Move left or right. So I can dodge, but if I'm actually hit, then I should not be able to do any of these, right? So if this not knocked, return. So I wouldn't be able to move as well. Yeah, yeah, pretty much. The knockback is really strong. Okay, so because I'm done, this video is done as well. Attack detection. Oh, yeah, I can just wrote something back. Now all I'm gonna be fixing next is the attack, the knock, because obviously the knockback doesn't really look that good. And next time I'm gonna be adding a hitbox class so that I don't really have to keep on rewriting this whenever I create a new enemy. And to test this out, I'm also gonna be making to see what's going on if I were to have two enemies. Oh, I'm dead. So this is an hour, and all I did is that.